Here we have the 2016 66 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport in a grey wrap. Now I do have the LED headlights as well as the black Kinder Grills. M Sport styling kit in carbon with the carbon front splitter, carbon side skirts and carbon rear diffuser. Then we also have the gloss black rear spoiler. Now we do have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels in black with yellow M Sport brake calipers just behind. Now we do have the black roof wrap there as well. There's also a shark fin antenna, privacy glass on the rear as well as the black window trim. Now we also have front and rear parking sensors with the visual display as well. Now we do have dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and rear diffuser. Now we also have M Performance decals on either side skirt as well as the M3 style wing mirrors, as you can see just there, which is a nice little addition to this vehicle. And there's a quick look at that roof wrap just there. Now we do have the Dakota leather front seats, which are extremely comfortable, and we also have the dashboard just there. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI clear comes a fresh service, new MOT, you can do off competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.